Hey, let's talk tools for a minute. Specifically, tape measures. Now, you'll see this on all kinds of tape measures. You use these for woodworking, you use these for building a house, you use these for metalworking, all kinds of stuff, okay? People use them to hang pictures. Everybody uses a tape measure. I get this all the time. People will ask about the end of the tape measure. See that? See how it moves? How it's loose? I want my tape measure to be accurate. I want my tape measure to give me the proper measurement. I don't want it to have that little wiggle. Come on, let's be serious. If you're measuring from a piece of wood and you butt that up against, then it moves inward to give you an accurate measurement. But if you're measuring from the outside and you hook it and you're pulling against it, then it moves out to give you that accurate measurement. The amount of play in this, it moves just enough for the thickness of that little hook. Now, most of you guys know that, but I am amazed at the number of people who miss that, okay? This moves not because it's poorly made, but because it gives you an accurate measurement. And you'll see this on all kinds of tape measures, okay? It moves a little bit. It moves the thickness of this little hook. A little bit more information for you. Have a good one.